Hi, everyone. This is Cheryl. I'm here to have fun with you today. What do I hear? I think I hear birds. Oh, I love birds. On my front porch and my back porch, I have bird feeders. During the summer, I love to sit and watch the birds as they feed in the bird feeders. Today, we're going to make a bird feeder. It's made using an ice cream cone, a pipe cleaner that you can hang it on your porch with, peanut butter, and cereal. The birds can eat all parts of this bird feeder except for the pipe cleaner, but they might even take that and use it in their nest. Let's make one. We have an ice cream cone and a pipe cleaner, which we're going to stick through the bottom and have it come out the top. We're going to curl the bottom so that it stays in, and we have the part that we can hang on a railing or something in the front of our house. Next, we need peanut butter. So I've got some peanut butter on my knife, and I'm going to spread it on the ice cream cone. Oh, they're going to love peanut butter. I know I love peanut butter. Let's put a little bit more on, spreading it down. That looks great. Then we're going to take cereal. You can use any type you like. Oh, look at that. I have cereal on my peanut butter. They're going to love eating that. Maybe you could count them as you put them on. Maybe count to 10 or even 20. You can have lots of fun. Hope you have a wonderful time getting to watch birds in your front yard. Have a great day. Love and miss you all. Bye.